Claude has taken the world by storm, and I just used it to make the intro you watched in under 2 minutes. No After Effects, no editor, just Claude. Today we're going over 3 methods that you can use to make viral animations like the one you saw, and all of these, all by yourself within minutes. For method 1, you're going to brainstorm an idea of an animation you want. After that, you're going to put it into Claude Chat to see if it understands. Then, you're going to get Claude Chat to generate you a prompt so that Claude Design can make it for you. An example is my article intro. Now, before going any further, I would like to point out that all 3 methods do require a Claude Pro or Max subscription. So if you like what you're seeing, I'd heavily consider getting it. So for this article animation, I'd seen heaps of videos like this on YouTube before, but I didn't quite know the name for it. So I literally just started blurting my ideas to Claude to see if it would understand me. After I was happy with Claude and I thought that Claude understood me, I got it to generate a prompt for me for Claude Design. Then I went over to Claude Design, selected Animation, and pasted the prompt in. After Claude has generated the animation, if you're not happy with it, you can always ask it to tweak stuff like I'm doing here. And after a few bits of editing, you should get your desired animation like so. Method 2 involves using templates, which I used for this iPhone app animation and this pie chart animation. There's plenty of websites with animation templates, but the 3 main ones I use are Mobbin, Hyperframes, which has my phone app animation, and React Video Editor, which has my pie chart animation. Once you've found a template you like, click on it, then copy the code. Then on Claude Design, paste the code and select animation. Then tell it to use this exact code and template and explain the changes you want. Then press generate. Again, after Claude has generated initially, you can always re-edit until you're satisfied. Now, what if you have a really cool animation that you like, but don't know how to describe it, and you don't have the code? This is where method 3 comes in. You're going to take 3 screenshots, one of the starting frame, one of the middle frame, then one of the last frame of the animation that you want. Then you're going to paste this prompt, which will be in the description with all the other prompts, into Claude, select animation, and generate. Thank you so much for watching. If you found the video helpful, please consider liking, and if you want more content like this, please consider subscribing and checking out this playlist right over here. Cheers, and I'll see you on the next one.